Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple languages in Shopify store. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify store, and what we need for this is an app. So you want to go click here on the search bar and type for Weglot. And this is the app that we'll be using to have multiple languages in Shopify store. So click on Weglot. And then from here, you can see that it has a high rating and it has a lot of reviews. So you can see that it's trustworthy. And you can click on install right here so that we can start using it. And then click on install here once again. So let's wait for it to load. And here it is. So click install. And then there it is. So from here, what we're going to do is we now have Weglot here into our store. So now let's set it up. So the first thing that we need is you need to sign up if you don't have a Weglot account. But since I already have one, I'm just going to sign in. And from here, I'm just going to provide my email right here. And then from here, I'm going to go for my password and click on sign in. And I'm just going to go and try it again. Sorry. Right there, click sign in. And it should now be all good. And from here, I'm going to go click on my store since I already have a project for Weglot. But if in your case you don't have one, click on new project right here, enter your name, and then from there you want to go and select the language that you want to add into your store. So you would be asked to add your original language and the other languages right there, and click on activate once you're done right here. And from here, you basically, when you click on the activate button, all you have to do is make sure that Weglot is toggled on right here. And after that, you want to go click on save if you can click on save right here. And then you want to go back and click on check activation. And it should be all good. Now you can click on continue and go to settings page right here. And from here, when you go to settings page, you can see your languages right here. So you have the original language, which was asked to you before, and your destination languages, which was also asked to you before. So you can go for your destination languages, like the language that you would like to be added to your store. In my case, I'll just go for Japanese right here. So I'm going to go press J, and here it is, Japanese. And now, all I have to do now is click on save. And now when I go to my store, right here, when I go to my store and click here, and now I can see that I have the Japanese enabled right here in my store, and I can also switch here by going to the English right here. The only problem here in Weglot, if you only have the free plan, is that it is only limited to one language. So if you want to add more languages right here, then you would need to pay for the premium version. There are also a lot of other features that you can use right here in Weglot, like adding subdomains and enabling auto switch, exclude blocks, URLs, and so on. You can also edit the appearance of your widget with this one right here. You can also show the flags. So to do that, you need to click on Visual Editor, and then you would be prompted into the external website of Weglot. So let's just wait for this one to load right here. And from here, you want to click on Manage Translations and go to Language Switcher here. And then from here, you can basically change the appearance. So if you want to show the flags in the button, you can click here. And then from here, you can go for the flag types. You can go for circle if you'd want that. And then you want to click on Save Changes right here. And then you can also go for the switcher editor right here. So if you want to go and edit your switcher, this is where you would edit it. So from here, as you can see, you can go here for the template and layout right here, and the behavior. You can also have it right here, position, name, and so on right here. But we're not gonna dig deep into this one since we are only here for just a quick run. So let's just go for, let's say we would want this style. You can click on try it, and then as you can see, this is how it would be shown right here. So once you're satisfied with your edits, click on save right there. And now when you go back here, refresh your store, and it should now be like this. It has now been shown here with the flags that we have enabled. But as you can see, I am using this one and it's not shown because I only have the free plan available. So if you would want to fully customize your Weglot, then you can go into the subscriptions right here, and these are their prices right here. Let's go for the Business, Pro, Advanced, Extended. So if you'd want to know more about the features, you can click here. And then from here, you can see the prices and their features right here. So you can just choose one according to your needs. So that is basically it on how you can add multiple languages in Shopify store. Thank you for watching.